Okay, what's up people? This is Reese Rang. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to build a boomerang with just popsicle sticks. So if you just weren't quite clear, we're going to be using 120 grit sandpaper, we're going to be using a pen, a hot glue gun, and just to clarify, we're using the big ones, not the small ones. These are like a little bit bigger popsicle sticks. You can use those will work. But it's better to have this because you can find it easier. So go ahead and check away any smaller popsicle sticks because that'll be, you're gonna need big popsicle sticks. You can get these at your local dollar store for really cheap. They're like, I think $1.30 for a pack of 25. I got them really cheap anyways, and this is what I've been using them for. So right away, we're gonna have to go and mark half, which is 10 millimeters. I'm gonna mark in the millimeters section, 10 mil. And then we're gonna have to mark how thick this is. So I'll grab my ruler and I'm gonna mark it really quick. So we're gonna mark how thick these are. So I'm just gonna use one for now. And it's 1 inch thick. Here you go, it's 1 inch. So we're gonna use ½ inch on both ends. So we're gonna go 10 millimeters. We're gonna mark that on your popsicle stick, right on the center, which is 10 mil. And then you're gonna do a ½ inch from center on both ends. That's gonna make it so both popsicle sticks can line up perfectly. So you're gonna mark that on both of your popsicle sticks just now. I'll show you right here. They're both at the right marks. Okay, so you're going to plug in your hot glue gun so it gets all nice and hot. And now we're going to glue them together. It's just as simple as that. You don't want to put just a big glob, you want to do a swerve, so like an S. So I've done that. I have a wood block here to keep it from leaking everywhere. Now I'm just gonna put them on top and then lay them down. Press on them real hard so it really gets to, just don't burn yourself, because that would suck. Really try and get it straight. Wait a good 30 seconds. Okay, so now this is dry and I'm gonna take the glue gun, just put the glue on the sides. Now unplug your glue gun and wait for this to dry. Okay, so now my boomerang has dried up and you can tell because it won't move or anything. It's not warm anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark it down if you're left or right. So right now I'm going to do as a right thrower. So I'm going to go with my pen and it's gonna end up looking just like this. So here, 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 and here. Here, 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 and here. So now I'm gonna go on the opposite side here. Mark that, mark this, and mark this. Just so we know what sides we're dealing with. So here, and on the bottom. So you can see, it's on every single one. And we're just gonna start sanding. So to sand this, grab sandpaper, have your sandpaper on the edge of the table. I'm just going to swipe it like that. So understanding that this is here, you're gonna keep it on a little bit of an angle, just a little bit. You're gonna pull it back. I'm looking at it, it's starting to come down. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait until it goes thin so they both, the top and the bottom, meet to a nice fold shape. So it goes down and then goes like that. So you can sand this until it gets down to the bottom and you like it. Okay, finally, now I've got it to a nice edge. I don't know if you can tell. I have it sanded down so it looks all the way down to there. If you look on the other ones, it's flat. This one's nice and smooth. So now I'll repeat it all the way here, 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 and then I'll do the back side. Okay, finally, I am done this thing. It took kind of forever, so I'm finally done. I'm really happy about it. And each one goes, I don't know if you can tell, but there is that tiny bit that goes down like that. So I look at any of them, look here as well. You can see how it kind of goes down there. Like thick and then skinny right here. Not on both ends, but on just this one. So this one's going on that kind of angle, and I did the same thing on the bottom on each one. So now let's go outside and see if this thing works. Okay, so now I'm going to test the boomerang to see if it works. And it should curve to the right. So you want to hold it in between your thumb and then flick it as much as you can. Okay, that was close. Okay, attempt number 2. Caught it right there. Caught that. Attempt number 2. That is amazing. I'm on back. Ah! Okay, it's really close to me, but I'm connected with this cord for my lavalier mic, so I gotta walk over there and grab it. That's like a couple feet. Okay, now you're back to where you were a couple seconds ago, and we'll try this one more time just to prove that it does work. So you really want to hold it straight up and down in between your thumb and flick it. Flick it out your hand like that. And then you want to throw it a little bit to the left because it'll curve around and come back to you. I could have caught that, but that was really close. Now, another attempt. Try it again from this way. Yeah! Stupid card. So, it landed 1, 2, 3, 4 steps away. Landed 4 steps away from me. This boomerang works and is amazing. This is Reese Ryan. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment if you want to see it. Bye. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Reese Wrangler. That's my boomerang video, and like, subscribe, leave a comment if you liked it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.